Does the back of your 200 or 300 look like this and you are sick of removing this pesky cover every time you want to put your tow bar in? Well, now we can cut it out for you. So we make a cutout like this, so you don't have to remove the cover every time you want to put your tow bar in. So you're sick of removing that cover and want to purchase our Tow Bar Cutout service. So what you do is you head to the website and you purchase the service. Remember, you need to physically send us your tow bar cover off your car for us to be able to cut it out and return it back to you. So how that works is you purchase it, you pack up your tow bar cover and you send it to us like this. What we then do is we unbox it, inspect it for any damages. Like we can see this one here, it's got a little bit of a mark, so I've taken a photo of that, updated the customer, and they're all good with it, and we're going to continue with the cutout. What happens then is we cut out the tow bar depending on the make and model of the vehicle. So if you've got a 300 series, there's a specific template for each model, and if you've got a 200 series, there's a specific template for each model of those. You also have the option to add in if you want an additional cutout for a D-shackle. So you can see here, there's a little bit more of a cutout here. That is so you can remove the D-shackles whilst the cover's on. And you can see this one here, they don't need the D-shackles. It's a little bit more, it's less cut out. So it's gonna look a little bit nicer and cover everything more, but you would have to remove that cover if you wanted to put the D-shackles on. So we have specific templates and we cut them out as neat as possible. By us doing it, there's no risk of you scratching your cover or damaging anything. It's all on us. We've done hundreds of these and very, very good at it now. We use a pinch weld around the cut to create a really nice seamless finish, and it looks super, super factory once it's back on the car. So once we've all cut it out, we package it up nice and safe and return it back to you. So this service is for 200s and 300s and a few more cars up and coming that they'll be released later on. So whether you have a 200 or a 300 series, pop onto our website accelerateoffgrid.com.au and purchase it today. Get us that tow bar cover here. We'll cut it out and get it straight back to you.
Accelerate Off-Grid Touring, powering your adventures.